Last month, I scaled a TikTok account to 28k followers and 1.2k earnings in 14 days. Behind the scenes, the videos for this account required a lot of work. But making money is never easy, or is it? What if you could utilize AI to automate the entire process? A fully autonomous TikTok money printer. Is this even possible? Does this even exist? I think I've found the tool, the AI TikTok automation to rule them all. I'm talking ideating, scripting, editing, and even posting. In this video, I'm gonna try it out and see if this is really possible. So why am I looking for an AI tool that can do this? Apart from the fact that I recently did a survey to ask what would be the most valuable thing that I could do for you guys, and 99% of the answers were an AI tool that could do everything for me, plus all the comments that say I need an AI tool that can easily do all this editing for me. It was actually because of my last video, this one here. I noticed that a lot of you guys had tried to recreate this niche and failed miserably, and it's because I'd overlooked something. You see, editing is hard, and many of you don't even have a PC or 2+ hours to spend creating the perfect piece of content. You rush the editing and post the content. This causes the videos to perform badly, and then you lose motivation and think that this isn't a real opportunity. But I know TikTok is a huge opportunity right now. I just needed to find one AI tool that was going to help solve this issue. And that tool, I think, is Faceless.Video. This tool claims to be able to do everything for you. All you have to do is create the account and warm it up properly. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that later. I know what you're thinking, it sounds too good to be true. And I had the same thought process as you. So let's find out if this is legit. So this is Faceless.Video, and it promises to be able to create a faceless account in one click. Now it sounds very good, and as you can see, these are the types of videos that it promises to be able to create. It has some social proof saying that, look, people have used this and they've actually managed to get a bunch of views. That's the process of creating a video, and it actually allows you to create a one free video. So let's just jump in straight away, go to the dashboard and try creating one of these videos for ourselves. So we're going to come here, we're going to click new series, and then it's going to give us an option. We need to select a story type, so we can either choose from motivational, fun facts, scary stories, relationship drama, success grind set, bedtime stories, and a custom prompt. Then you can actually input some sort of web link, and then you can also use a subreddit from Reddit, which is pretty cool. So you can have Reddit stories straight extracted for you, which is really, really cool. I'll definitely want to test out all of these, but I'm just going to go in and I'm going to use scary stories. And then it gives you an options for video backgrounds. So you've got either AI generated, so generate custom video backgrounds for your story. You've got Minecraft parkour, you've got Minecraft night, GTA, Subway Surfers, satisfying clips, space, spooky woods, and scary skulls. Because we're doing scary stories, I do think maybe I'll try either spooky woods or I think I'll go Minecraft night, just because I personally scroll and like that type of content. So here, look, as you can see, looks pretty cool. What font should I pick? I do feel like Montserrat is my favorite font at the minute. It's either Montserrat or Comic Cax, that Mr. Beast style font. I think I'll stick with Montserrat, but as you can see, you've got a bunch of fonts here. Then you can also choose what color font you'd want to pick. So you can pick, but I do think just a simple, keeping it white, and there you go. And then it's going to automatically outline the text for you. So now we've got an option to pick AI voices.
Hi there. My name is Matthew and this is my speaking voice.
Or,
hi there. My name is Joanna.
And then they've got some premium AI voices as well. I guess.
Hi there.
I think these are $5 for the monthly series, but I'll get to pricing a little bit later on in the video.
Hi there. My name is Echo, and this is my speaking voice.
Hi there.
I can also speak
my
in
name
any
is Nova, and this is my speaking.
Okay, so you can also pick in other languages. That's kind of cool. We'll do Matthew then, use AI, and then we'll click create series. And that is it. So, okay, so now we need to actually connect to our first platform. So they allow you to actually post automatically. From what I can gather, it's like trying to basically set up a full autonomous TikTok or YouTube Shorts page that literally creates the content for you and posts for you at a regular scheduled basis. So this is pretty cool. I think for now, I'm not going to connect anything. So you've got the option to get them actually emailed to you. So I'm going to click email only. And there we go. So that's going to set you up. So now these are the options for pricing, but I'm going to cover that a little bit later on. Let's actually go and check out what the video looks like. So I'm going to pop up one that I got in my emails. Okay, so here's an example of the type of content that it spits out. And remember, we literally just clicked a few choices. Now it's going to automatically give me 2 of these videos a day, one at 10 a.m., one at 4 p.m. Completely done automatically. And I can choose to literally upload it to TikTok and straight to YouTube Shorts without doing any editing. So let's take a look at what the content actually looks like. Editors, listen, I'm launching a brand new 30-day editing challenge that's going to be running from the start of August. There's a bunch of cash prizes and a big grand prize. If you want to know more details, sign up down below.
A single snowflake measuring a staggering 15 inches wide. Yes, you heard that right. This record-breaking snowflake was discovered in Fort Keogh, Montana.
Okay, I mean, it literally looks like the classic brain rot stories. So let's have a look at another one. At this point, I hopped on a call with one of the founders, and he said if I thought the stories were cool, I should check out the AI-generated images. The feature where it will automatically generate AI images that are relevant to the storyline, then it will automatically edit it all together with the voiceovers. And this is actually what the Minecraft Night scary stories look like. I'll put all of these videos that I created using this tool in a Google Drive down below. Feel free to watch them and use them for your own pages.
A single teaspoon of honey represents the life work of 12 bees. Each bee has to visit around 2,000 flowers just to produce that tiny amount of honey you stir into your tea. Imagine the dedication as these bees fly miles, collecting nectar and bringing it back to the...
I'm about to get baited into watching my own brain rot that I haven't even posted yet. So I didn't actually know that. It takes 12 bees, create a single teaspoon of honey. So there we go. I learned something new today. But as you can see, it literally does everything for you. Background music, comes up with the script, the voiceover, and the background footage. So it's got everything. So that's basically a rough summary of what the application does and how you can auto post with it. And like it showed earlier, you can literally instantly connect it to a brand new TikTok, a brand new YouTube Shorts, and it's going to automatically post for you up to twice per day. Basically meaning that you can just sit back and have your faceless social media accounts literally running autonomously. Now, I don't know what the results are going to be like. They've got some social proof on their homepage. So I'm asking you guys, should I try this for myself? Should I run a 30 or 60 day challenge actually testing out this software to see whether it will actually start making money, whether it can get monetized? Let me know in the comments below. So now let me actually show you the secret strategy on how to warm up your accounts properly so that you can have the most success, whether you're using this strategy or whether you just want to create a new TikTok. I can almost guarantee that you're not doing this, and this is harming your reach, especially on those first 3 to 5 posts that you're posting on brand new accounts. So what do I mean when I say warming up an account? Well, I'm trying to achieve 3 things. Number 1 is I'm trying to show TikTok that I'm a real user, not a bot that's just created the account and then instantly started posting. This is to prevent the platform obviously getting spammed by bots. So they like to see active engagement on the platform before you post a video. That's why a lot of people recommend you wait 24 to 48 hours before posting so that you don't flag to be a bot by TikTok and get shadow banned. 2, you're cultivating a perfect For You page for your niche. What do I mean by this? So when I go on TikTok on a brand new account and I scroll the For You page, it's going to show me a random variety of content. So what you have to do is follow 10 accounts in the niche that you're going to create content in and start engaging with their posts. Like, comment, watch them all the way through and share their content. This is basically going to then train the algorithm to show you more content within your niche. This benefits you in 2 ways. Number 1 is that it's thought that the algorithm will push content out to the viewers of the content you consume, if that makes sense. So if you're on there scrolling gym content and then you're actually making text conversations, TikTok supposedly, I don't have any proof or scientific backing on them, but this is just the concept that people say. If you're scrolling gym talk, when you post, it's going to be shown to gym talk. So you want to try and engage with only content that's in your niche. 2, it's also going to allow you to get a bunch of information and data for your own personal content. This is because you're going to be engaging with the biggest, the best performing accounts for your niche, allowing you to save and basically start building up a library of content ideas as you're actually going and training the algorithm. So how would you go about doing this? Well, you go into TikTok, you search the keyword for your niche or the hashtag for your niche, and you follow 10 of the biggest accounts within your niche. You engage with their content, and then you go back to the For You page and you check to see if content from that niche is showing up. As soon as you get one piece of content from that niche that shows up, engage with that, share it, like it, comment it, watch it multiple times, and then go back and scroll on the For You page. If you see more of your niche style content, it's almost working. You want to get to the point where you scroll like 5-6 times and every single video is from your niche. Once you get to that point, it'll be about 24 hours in. If you just do this like every 15 minutes, like 2 or 3 times a day, 2 to 3 days of this, it will perfectly cook your account. So once you go on your For You page and all you see is your niche, and it's been about 2 days, your account is now primed and ready to post your first piece of content. So this is a speed run 4-step plan on exactly how to set this up. First, create the new account. You want to create a Gmail so then you've got a brand new separate address specifically for this account. 2, then you want to come up with a name, use ChatGPT or Namelix. Make sure that the niche keyword is the first word. 3, bio. You want to set up a bio, something like this. 5, profile pic. You can just generate this in ChatGPT or whatever. It doesn't really matter. You should fly through step 1 in literally 5 minutes. Step 2, follow 10 accounts in that niche. So for example, scary stories, search that up, the biggest accounts that come up, or Reddit stories, something within that niche. Follow them them and start engaging with their content. 3, targeted scroll. Now you want to go from their account back to your For You page and see whether content within that niche starts coming up. If it does, job done. Remember, cooked account equals money made. Step 4, set up Faceless Video account and print. Let's jump in and get the setup for my account. So now we're back in Faceless Video. I've shown you the setup process about how to actually go through and set up your series. So now let's discuss pricing and go over a couple of extra features. So when you create your first series, at the end of it, it's going to hit you with this page. This is where you can decide how frequently you'd like to post. The lowest tier allows you to post 3 times per week, and it's going to be $15 a month. Then the middle tier, which is the one I'd probably recommend if you're going to try this, $30 a month, and that equals 1 video a day. And then you've got double up, which will be $45 a month, and that gives you 2 posts per day, so like 60 pieces of content. So for the price, it's actually really good because you're never going to get an editor to create this content for you. The background content, the script, the voiceover, the captions, and background music, even though it's simple, if you tried to do that yourself, it would take a long time. It'd probably take you anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. So the fact that it does that automatically and posts for you is why I'm really excited by this tool and why I really want to try it and why I wanted to bring it to you guys. So now these are the prices. Let's jump in and have a look at some extra features. So now once you've created a series, you can actually go in and see the next video that's going to be created. This allows you to come in and edit the script or request a new story, change the background music on or off, change the voice of the voiceover, and you can even change the background. So you can basically come in and edit every single part of the video before it actually gets uploaded to your account. Then once you actually have warmed up your account and you followed the steps beforehand, here is when you can actually connect it to your YouTube Shorts account and to your TikTok. And here you can actually edit the full series back again and go back to square one. So that's a full breakdown on how, if you're going to try the strategy, you'd implement it. Now let me share with you my honest thoughts. Okay, real talk. Do I think this is the best way for me to go viral on TikTok? Probably not. Do I think this is the best way for you to make money with TikTok? Probably. Why? There was one thing I overlooked, and seeing the number of people, it was around 40 accounts that tried the text anthems niche, either didn't post any content or posted 2 videos that were edited poorly and then gave up. I noticed one thing that I'd overlooked. 99% of people don't have the editing skill or the consistency to actually post enough times on TikTok to actually have a first viral video and then have motivation to keep posting. Whereas this Faceless Video literally creates the content for you and posts for you. I overlook talking about these AI tools because I look at it and think I can probably edit it better than that. But 99% of you guys, after seeing those results on those accounts, probably can't. And that's just the real truth. And so if you actually want to try making money with TikTok and don't have the editing skills yet, or just the time and consistency to post daily, then these AI tools are actually really valuable. And that's why I've actually brought this video to you today. So if you want to test out this tool for yourself and try making money on TikTok without actually having to be a good editor, then it'll be the top link in the description. And let me know in the comments whether I should actually try this, posting on TikTok and YouTube Shorts for like 30 to 60 days to try and get my first viral video. What I'm excited to try as well is that you can actually add your own scripts. So at that point, Faceless Video becomes an editor that auto posts for you, as you can potentially use your human touch to improve a script, give it the script, and it's going to edit the video for you. So that's a wrap on today's video. If you want to learn from me about TikTok, then check out my brand new school community down below. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys next week. Your boys Gonskis.